The journey begins in the mouth, where food is broken down mechanically through chewing and enzymatically by saliva. The food travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach, where gastric juices further break down the food into smaller components. As the partially digested food leaves the stomach, it enters the small intestine. Once absorbed into the bloodstream, it is transported to cells throughout the body. Excess glucose is converted into fat through a process called lipogenesis. Triglycerides synthesized in adipose tissue are stored in fat cells until needed for energy. The balance between calorie intake and expenditure determines whether excess energy is stored as fat or utilized for energy. Consuming more calories than the body needs for its daily functions and activities leads to weight gain and fat accumulation over time. So, creating a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories than the body requires results in